Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen in typical Ramen Roblox. First, you'll want to locate the ramen shop within the game world. Once you find it, approach the counter where customers will be waiting. This is where your ramen-making journey begins, so get ready to take some orders and start cooking delicious virtual meals for your hungry patrons. Understanding the basic game interface is key to quickly serving everyone. Once at the counter, customers will appear with thought bubbles showing their desired ramen. Pay close attention to these requests to identify the specific ingredients required for each dish. Head over to your ingredient stations and carefully select the correct items, ensuring you have everything needed before moving to the cooking phase. Accuracy is important for happy customers. With your ingredients gathered, proceed to the cooking pot. Place all the selected items into the pot and wait for the ramen to cook. A progress bar or visual cue will indicate when it's ready. Once cooked, pick up the finished bowl and serve it to the waiting customer. They will pay you for your delicious creation, helping you earn money in the game. To maximize your earnings and efficiency, always strive to work quickly. The faster you serve, the more customers you can assist. Remember to keep your ingredient stations fully stocked by refilling them regularly, so you never run out during a rush. And hey, if you're looking for ways to manage your real-world money better, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about wealth, plus other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.